Hey guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt. In today's video, I'm actually swatching out all of the items that I got from LELE Posh Cosmetics. I go through every shade, I show you the components that they came in. This one here is actually one of her neons, and you're supposed to like pack it on and then blend from there. I did take a big fluffy brush to show that you can shear it out quite a bit. With this, but you can pack it on and then shear it out, or you can use a big fluffy brush like I'm doing here and then shear it out. I'm going to be playing music through the rest of it, and I have sped up each of these clips so that you can see these a little bit faster than I recorded them in. But these are all of the shades that I got from LELE Posh Cosmetics. I do have a code with them. You can use code Rebecca, which is just my name, to save 10% off of anything on their website. They're currently closed right now for restock, so I will leave a link to her website as well as my code down below in the description box. You can check back and see when she is finally back open, because she sold out of a lot of stuff. She does also use Afterpay for those of us that want to make payments and things like that. So that's actually how I was able to get an order. I did Afterpay, and it really helped me out. I was able to get some beautiful things for some Valentine's Day looks. And feel free to follow her on Instagram. I will leave her Instagram linked down below, as well as her YouTube channel for the brand, and her second channel that's more a channel that she uses to just swatch the shades out. So hopefully you guys like this, and I will see you in another video very soon. Enjoy!